Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to easily fix Wi-Fi not working on the Lenovo Tab One. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle the Wi-Fi off and on in the settings. So let's unlock our tablet, then head over to the settings. And here in the settings, we will have an option called Wi-Fi right up top. Now, as you guys can see, we are connected to the Wi-Fi, but we can toggle it off with a couple of seconds. So in my opinion, we should wait for about 5 to 10 seconds. So now we should be good to turn it back on. Now, if there's still some issues, then what you guys can do is forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect to it. So click on this eye icon right here, click on forget, and it will automatically forget without asking you if you're sure. So choose the same network and enter the password. I'll quickly type the password in and I'll see you guys in a second. So now I have entered the password. Let's click connect, and as you guys can see, we're connected to the network. Now what you guys can do is restart the router and the tablet. So I cannot restart the router because it's in a totally different room, but I can restart the tablet. So we're back to the home screen. Now I'm gonna show you how to easily do that. So we're gonna start off by pressing the power button and the volume up button. Now we will have two options, which is the power off and the reboot, and we're gonna click on the reboot, and now our tablet is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second. So now, after restarting our device, what can we do as a last resort is check for the software updates, because sometimes a software update can fix a lot, including the Wi-Fi not working. So now we're waiting for our tablet to turn fully on after the restart. And now we can head over to the settings. So we need to wait for the apps to load here. Now we need to select the settings and swipe to the bottom. Now go to about tablet, it's right at the bottom of the settings, and click on system update. Now this process takes around 20 to 30 seconds. It will check for updates everywhere. So I'll see you guys after 20 seconds, and let's see if I run the latest version. So it took a bit longer. As you guys can see, it's because of the tablet being laggy sometimes, because we have a lot of updates going on right now in the background. But it said that I have the latest version. So if you do not have the latest version, then I recommend you guys updating it, because it can fix a lot of glitches, including Wi-Fi not working, even the tablet heating while charging, or just heating overall. And as you guys can see, here we have it again, you have the latest version. So make sure to update to the same version as me, or by the time you're watching, there's probably a new version out someday. Then after you update it, everything should be okay. If not, then let me know in the comments. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.